Hey everyone. So I'm hanging out here today and I'm seeing it happen twice. You'll see what I'm saying. And then like 4 minutes out, like when this is finished, 4 minutes out, it happens one more time. So I say, is there a third object? Because they're either creating something or hiding something. You know what I'm saying? Either sunsets or sun ups. I have no idea. But I'll show you these two. Then we'll wait. I'll go skip 4 minutes ahead. And you'll see it again. It's pretty amazing. I'm just moving the laptop around trying to get a good signal. Here we go. On the third, one I'm going to show you, that's 4 minutes out. It's not coming from that device. It's separate. Coming from above it. You'll see after. And I was watching Joanne Steen channel, and she had Boogeyman on there. Boogeyman channel. She was showing footage from his channel. Fantastic. This guy gets his own stuff. So if no one's heard of Boogeyman, the Boogeyman channel, check him out. He's gonna line up the lenses like little ducks in a row. Man, he's got some amazing footage. I was checking out half a dozen of his videos and they were really good. He's more than your, backyard videotaper, that's for sure. He knows how to do some stuff. He's into it, big time. So, and he's already getting recognition. Jeff T, WSO, and a few of the bigger channels, so, and rightly deserved. And now Joanne Steen's picked him up. A lot of people are gonna get his videos out. The most important thing here is no one looks to make someone a huge channel. What they're looking for is truth. And the more truth someone finds and exposes, the better for everyone. And if this guy getting to be a big channel, it's rightly deserved. Because he's putting the time in, and he's looking. No more hiding, wake up. Same with him. Dedicated. He gets all of his own stuff. He's very good. And boy, does he got a great sense of humor. They all do. Every one of them. Okay, now watch this. This is coming off the device. Here. So keep an eye on that. Because on the next one, 4 minutes out, it didn't look like it was coming from there. I could be mistaken. So what do you think? It's a sunrise or a sunset they're creating? Because here's that second time they're doing it, and we usually see two out there. There's got to be a correlation. This is all hologram, as far as I'm concerned. Yep. Smoke and mirror kind of stuff. Continual creative deception. So this is the second one on this first clip. Then I'm going to take you down the road like 4 or 5 minutes out and show you another one, slightly different, because it comes above whatever that is. And where do you think they've built all the pieces and parts and units for that track that they've created for the Great Deception. Up there or down here? Because for years they've been working 24/7. Mostly the same people too. And I know they're building that track piece at a time. They had to be the one that have done it. I think I hold them pretty much responsible for everything with the help of whatever the demons are that are helping them. Everything's dimensional. Portals? Yep, I believe in the portals. I think they're an intricate part of everything. Alright, this is the second part of the clip. And then we're going to take off to the next one. I'll put it on a separate video. Maybe I won't. Okay, here we go. Okay, I left it on this video, and it's quick too, it won't last long. And I think this is a 1, it'll happen once. So. But it's gonna happen from above the machine. I'm moving the laptop just so I can get a better connection. Sorry about that. But watch this one. And there's no green thing coming up, reflection on the lower left in this one. I don't think. I don't think it'll show up. See how it's coming up above that object? It's up top. Look at it. The other one came off that. Or deflected off it or reflected off of it. I don't know. It's above it though this time. It's like, what's that? You know? A lot of strange things. It's like bits and pieces and parts. I used to think it was like a welding thing, that laser was a welder, you know? I know it sounds crazy, but that's what I thought it was. That they were building something, but I just didn't know what. Or cutting through things, you know, with a laser. Frying our planet, maybe? Who knows? Almost. Oh, it is gonna go for a round 2. Where's that green thing? Up there, down yonder, lower left. Well, looks like a wider, bigger, pinker one, don't it? Yep, that green thing's coming back. I thought it was only going to come up once. It's faster, though, the way it's coming up. Look at how fast it's coming up. So what is that? I thought it was a reflection, but of what? Nothing else is moving. What is it? And what's this? What's that? Yeah, there's a few things on here. I can't see my mouse on the screen. I'm trying to get it up onto here. Yeah, as it gets on the screen. I guess it doesn't want you pointing things out because it completely disappears. In front of me anyways. Look at that. Wow. The Great Deception is going to be pretty good if people aren't learning about this stuff and what's going on. Because they're going to be really good by the time they're done with all this. And it'll look so real, they'll think Jesus Christ is coming down, landing in their yard, you know what I mean? Just remember, angels don't need ships. I don't believe angels have to have flying crafts or man's help in any kind of chariot. I don't care if half the men are on this planet are hybrid demons. Which I believe they are. Look at that. That's bigger around than the first one, isn't it? The sun may have went down somewhere in the world.